Yo, what's up? We're back here. Another episode in the garage. And we're installing the SPE lockout system for the gt500. And I'm going to give you a little preview of where we're at and what it's looking like. So here we have it. So this is the SPE lockout system. We got half of it on. They got pretty good instructions. Show you where everything goes. So this is the factory piece for the driver's side. We installed this piece already. We'll show you in a second. But this is the factory bracket. And then these are the metal pieces that go over the factory bushing. It's a pretty simple install. Takes some time. And then we got the vertical links here. This is the factory piece right here. And then this is the SPE. A little bit more heavier duty. As you can see right here. Definitely looks better quality. Now let's go take a look. So we got some of it on. It's a pretty simple install. We use the factory hardware. The top circle pieces basically just slide over. Same with back here. Reuse the factory hardware, and then instructions are pretty good. And then to drop the rear end, you could either do both at the same time, or I just wanted to do one side at a time. I got the jack under it so we can drop it down a little bit to slide over the metal bushings. And then the vertical link on there. And then we'll have to do the other side. So we could take this down. We'll situate it on this other side in a sec. But see, as you can see, you take that bracket off, drop the cradle a little bit, and then bushings slide right over, pop on top of that, and that's it. You put the factory hardware back in and tighten it up. Same with this rear. We'll take both of them bolts out, drop it down a little bit with the jack, slide the bushing on top of that bushing, metal one on top of the rubber. And then the factory link is going to get replaced. So, like I was saying, take the bolts out, drop it down a little bit, slide them metal bushings on top. See that metal bushing up top? Jack the cradle back up, pop the bottom bushing on and put the bolt back in, and you're set. Instructions, they give you pretty good instructions. So that's where we're at with the lockout system from SPE. We're about to finish it up here And then we'll get back to you with another video of the rest of it installed. So hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Keep tuning in. And we're going to get back at it. So, peace.